Hey guys, in today's video we are going to learn what is thumbnail A/B testing and try out on one of the videos. So suppose I am uploading one of the videos. Uh, let's say this video over here. I will do one thing. I will upload one video which is transcribe YouTube video into text. Right now, whenever you upload, the video is of paramount importance, but the first interaction of the video by the viewer is the thumbnail which they see on YouTube homepage, right? So your thumbnail should be the one that should be attractive enough to make someone click the same, right? Now in this case, what happens is, now over here I have created two thumbnails, right? I don't know which one is more attractive, which would make a user click and watch the video. So many a times we feel this is more relevant to the video, this is more attractive to you, and this might create more clicks, but some the other thumbnail is somewhere you feel this might also work well, right? So in this case what you can do is you can upload two thumbnails. Right now I have uploaded one over here. If you click on these three stars and you can see over here there is an option test and compare. You can upload up to three designs, three thumbnails, and I will do one thing. I will upload one more. Right now what this does is both the thumbnails will be shown to different set of viewers, and if you click and read more about this, within 15 days, right, the output, the result of the test will be shown to you. That is which thumbnail has performed better, which has made people click the thumbnail and watch the video, thereby showing what's the actual conversion, that is click to view ratio. And the CTR is the most important part, because if you are getting a thumbnail CTR of around 4 to 5% for your video, you are doing well, and your video will get more views. So even for existing videos, it is very important that if your video is not working well, you can go check the CTR and change your thumbnail, do A/B testing, and after 15 days, whichever thumbnail works the best, you can keep the same as the final thumbnail. I hope this is clear, and do let me know if there are any queries. I will try to answer them in the comments. If you are liking the content, please like the video and share it with your friends who are a part of YouTube journey. Do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.